Hello and welcome to EFT Tapping for stress and anxiety. Today we're going over a technique called tap and breathe. It is a very safe technique. It's gentle and it's suitable for beginners. So you can use this anytime. I encourage you to use it every day, whether you feel like you need it or not. And it can also be used when you're feeling stressed or anxious to help get your amygdala to just calm down, to help calm the nervous system, help bring you back to a regulated state where you feel centered and grounded and ready to face whatever it is that you need to face. So, if you have any trouble physically carrying out the movements of tapping with something you have going on with your anatomy or medically or whatever, you can just adapt it to your own needs, or you can visualize yourself tapping the points. That can be just as effective as physically tapping them. I've used that myself for insomnia with really good results. So, visualize tapping or modify as needed. It's all good. Now, this technique involves mindful breathing, which is designed to stimulate the vagus nerve in the body in such a way that it brings your heart rate down, helps you to relax, and helps send that signal that all is well and that you are safe. And at the same time, we'll be tapping, which has a similar calming effect. So let's dive right in. Just get yourself into a comfortable position where you can sit for 10 minutes or so and be comfortable and undisturbed. You may also lie down or just take whatever physical position feels comfortable for you. Settling in now, settling into your body. Really allow yourself to arrive. Arrive where you are. Feel the weight of your body resting on the surface that you're on right now. Feel that comfortable embrace of gravity holding you to the planet, keeping you safe. And just taking whichever hand you choose or visualizing, come to the sore spot point now. You can find that by finding your collarbone, coming down just a little bit to the place where your arm is right next to your body. There'll be a little sore spot there. Some people get a little bit of lymph congestion there. Just find the place that might feel a little sore or congested and just rub. You can even just rub your whole hand in that area if you can't find a particular space of soreness. And we're just going to start with our mindful breathing pattern. Right now, just bring your awareness to your breath. No need to deepen it. Don't try to take really deep breaths that can actually aggravate things. Just breathing gently and normally. Now, your next inhale, gently inhaling, we're going to extend the exhale to send that A-OK signal to the body. Exhaling 1, good. Inhaling once more, just gently. Extended exhale. Good. Coming now to the side of the hand point, that self-acceptance point. It's right there, but if you don't want to be super precise, you can just tap this whole area, go like this, or even tap on a surface. And we're inhaling. Exhale, hum. Good. Inhaling. Don't worry if your exhale doesn't last as long as mine. I'm a singer, so it's normal if you don't go quite that long. Exhale, hum once more. Good. Let's switch sides. Bilateral stimulation, allowing both hemispheres of the brain to participate and to help us move into this relaxed state, helping to stimulate the flow of creative ideas, solutions. Just being with the body now, inhaling. Exhale, hum. And one more inhale, just gentle. Exhale. Good. Moving now to the inner eye or eyebrow point. It is the point right where your eyebrow starts here. And there's a little divot on the orbital bone you may be able to feel. If not, don't worry. Just tap that area. Inhaling gently. Exhale. Good. Inhaling. Exhale. You may notice that your rate of tapping moves to somewhere around 7 to 8 hertz. That's theta brain state. That may be why you're tapping at that rate to help induce that meditative, calming state. Coming to the other eyebrow point, bilateral stimulation, inhaling and exhale. Good. Inhaling and exhaling normally. We're coming now to the side eye point. It's really, really close to the eyeball, so just gently tapping. We're right on the side of the orbital bone. We're not way out here or here, right next to the eye. Just gently tapping. Inhaling, exhale. And it helps if you purse your lips like you're blowing out a candle. That slows down the exhale. Inhaling, exhale. Good. Coming to the other side now. Inhaling, exhale, hum. There's a little woodpecker just joining us. I wonder if you can hear him. He's just adding percussion to our session here. Inhaling again. Exhale, hum. Good. Taking a little break. Follow your natural impulses. If you have an impulse during this to move, to sigh, to yawn, to cough, sneeze, if you need to use the restroom, whatever it is, follow that impulse. Following our natural impulses is part of the healing process for our nervous system and our body. So just tuning in now to whatever impulse you may be having. And if you need to do something right now, you could pause the recording or we can move forward to the next point. We're going to go under the eye. It's really, really, really close to the eyeball again. We're right on the bottom part of the orbital bone, the round bone in which your eyeball lives. And you're so, so close to the eye. So just gently tapping on that little divot where the meridian opens up into that bone. Inhaling, exhale. Gently inhaling once more. Exhale. Into the other under eye point. Bilateral stimulation, inhaling, exhale. One more. Inhale gently. Exhale, hum. Good. Next point, under the nose or just above the lip. It's hard to talk while I'm tapping that point, so we're just going to inhale. Exhale. Inhale once more. Exhale. See that natural impulse to move my neck like that and crack it? Remember to follow those natural impulses. The next point, under the lip and in between that divot there where your chin starts, it's not on the end of the chin. You'll see people do that. It's right here, under the lip, tapping, inhaling gently. Exhale, hum. Good. One last inhale. Exhale, hum. Exhaling gently. Coming now to the next point, collarbone. It can be a little bit tricky to find. It's where your collarbone meets your sternum, that juncture there, and you can just go down about 2 inches. It sounds very anatomical. If you don't want to worry about trying to find it, just tap the whole area. You'll get it. It'll be just fine. Inhaling gently. Exhale. Inhale and exhale. Coming to the other side. Inhaling once more. Exhale. Inhale and hum. Nice. Stretching, following any natural impulse you may have. Coming to the underarm point, it's right where a bra strap or a tank top or whatever you're wearing that would be sleeveless would hit you. And you can just kind of tap up and down the side body if you want to, and you'll hit it. So we're just inhaling, and then maybe sip a little more air in at the top of your inhale just to stretch pleasantly. Exhale, hum. One more inhale. Sip in a little more air. Just really fill up your tank slowly. Exhale, hum. Good. Switching sides, bilateral stimulation. Inhaling slowly. And then take a little baby sip on top of that, more air. Exhale, hum. One more inhale, just gentle. Exhale, hum. Coming around to the front now, just breathing naturally. Let your breathing pattern be natural. Let go of thinking about it or extending the exhale. And just tap with your hand from your left knee up to about mid-thigh. You're just tapping along the side of the thigh there where the IT band is, if you know what that is. Just tapping and breathing normally, letting the fingers graze there. And switching sides now, tap the right outer thigh from right above the knee up to about the middle of the thigh. Just tapping, helping that IT band to release any tension, stimulating that meridian point. There's actually several points around there. Just tap, 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 tap. And we're going to come now to the final point at the top of the head. My hair is a little bit in the way right now, but it's very at the very top center of your head. You can even pat kind of forward and backward if you want to cover the whole head. There are many meridian points at the top of the head. The one that we want is right there in the center. So just tap all around and pat the top of the head. And inhaling now, gently. Exhale. Good. Inhaling. Now just use whatever you like best, either humming or just exhaling and counting. Inhaling once more. Just sipping a little more air at the top. Exhale. Pausing your tapping now. Just fold your hands, butterfly hug if you want, or just fold your hands over your high heart space. If you can. If you're not able to fold your hands like this, just choose whatever posture feels nurturing or soothing or comfortable to you at this time. And just noticing your breath, noticing how your diaphragm feels right now as you're breathing. Notice how your shoulders and your neck feel. And if there's any little remaining tension there, just wondering what it might feel like to let that go for just a second and explore that feeling. Feeling the weight of your body on the surface you're resting upon now. And just inviting yourself now, opening your posture, opening your hands, inviting yourself back to your full waking state to be ready for the rest of your day. You can come back to this exercise as often as you want. You could start your day with it, end your day with it, and definitely use it anytime you're feeling stressed or anxious to bring yourself back to your center. Thank you for joining me. If you would like some additional EFT tapping, either in nature or some help with body sensations that may be uncomfortable, please do check out the other videos in this series and subscribe for more. See you soon.